Hey guys, welcome back to Shenanigans 4x4. Today I'm upgrading my halogen headlights to LEDs. Hopefully we're going from this to this. So I've got myself the complete LED upgrade package from Superior Vision Australia. It comes with two H4 globes, some LED parkers, also fog lights, reverse lights, and number plate lights. Now Superior Vision have a lot of vehicle specific packages to suit a lot of makes and models. So check them out. So these LEDs are quite nice looking. I had a set of LEDs for my old Mercedes E500 that I bought for 20 bucks off eBay. Not something you really want to do. They barely put out any light. They overheated and constantly blew. These are a really nice solid design. Got these heatsink fins to produce a lot of surface area to cool the LED. This piece that normally clips in on your halogen globe, you can disconnect from this and put that in as a separate piece, then put the globe in with a simple twist. I also like the connections on these to the power module. You've actually got a little O-ring on there, and then go in like so, and then you screw it together. Nice and tight, no water's going to get in there. And then you've got your original factory plug. This whole kit's just plug and play. First I went on test drive with the halogen bulbs in. This smartphone camera isn't great in low light conditions, but you can see the low beam almost looks like a candlelight. This is a road with no street lights, so I'll use for both tests at the same time of night. Alright, let's get to the installation. Alright, so I got the first globe in. And this is the difference. This is the new globe, new LED globe. This is the old yellow halogen globe. Have to wait till night to see how much difference there actually is. But so far they're looking really awesome. Well, that's the front all done. They look pretty sick. I'm especially loving the fact that it matches the LED side marker lamp in the TJM bull bar. I haven't replaced the fog light globes at this stage because my fog lights don't seem to be working at the moment. I think there might be a wiring issue there. I'll have to look further into it. So here are the old halogen reverse lights. Let's see if we can see the old yellow number plates up there. So that's the back all sorted out. They look quite a lot brighter in the daytime. We'll see how they are at night. And also, you've got the nice white light on the number plate now. Wow, what a difference. The camera really doesn't do it justice. Here are the old and new globes side by side in low beam. High beam. And reverse lights through my reverse camera. Like how the beam pattern remains almost the same, showing all the engineering put in these LEDs. Well, there we go. I think this LED kit is pretty awesome. I'll leave a link down below for Superior Vision Australia. They're doing a great job. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you in the next video.